In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to your Mailchimp audience so you can start sending email campaigns to subscribers. We'll walk through the full process, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to keep your list clean and compliant. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click Audience. This is your central hub for managing who receives your emails. Next, click Contacts to open your contact list page. Here, you'll see any existing contacts and options to manage them. To add new people, click the Add Contacts button. Mailchimp gives you several ways to bring in subscribers, and the right choice depends on where your data lives today. You can upload a file in CSV or TXT format, which is perfect if you exported a list from another system. You can copy and paste contacts from a spreadsheet if you only have a handful to add quickly. You can create a sign-up form to collect subscribers automatically from your website or social channels. Or, if you're using other tools, you can connect Zapier to sync contacts into Mailchimp without manual work. Select the method that fits your situation. If you upload a file, make sure your columns are clearly labeled, like email, first name, and so on. After you upload, Mailchimp will prompt you to match each column to a field in your audience. Take a moment to review those mappings to avoid mistakes. If you choose to copy and paste, format your data in rows and columns just like a spreadsheet, and paste it into the field provided. For sign-up forms, customize the fields you want to collect and share the form link or embed it on your site. And with Zapier, confirm the source app, the trigger, and the fields you want to pass to Mailchimp. Next, enter or upload the contact information, such as email address, name, phone number, or tags. Tags are optional, but helpful for organizing and segmenting later. Keep the data accurate and consistent, and avoid adding any personal details you don't need. Before finishing, confirm the subscription status is set to subscribed only if the contact agreed to receive emails. This is important for deliverability and compliance. If you're unsure, do not mark them as subscribed. When everything looks correct, click Import or Add Contacts to finish. Mailchimp will process the update and show you a summary. That's it. Your contacts are now in your audience and ready for your next campaign.